Video guys, you will see a house tour by Funnymike and his family. They discuss their new house, which has a large yard and a tree house. The family plans to have a photo shoot and discusses their kids' behavior during it. They mention the need for a bar or aquarium in the dining area. The kitchen and living room are designed to be open and social. The kids have their own rooms and bathrooms, with London having two pink rooms. The parents have separate spaces, including a man cave and a she shed for makeup. The house is still being organized with boxes and unpacking ongoing. They highlight their YouTube and Twitch breakthroughs as accomplishments. The backyard features a zip line and a barbecue grill. The kids are excited about the zip line. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys you like it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep smile. Bye bye.